Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can import a single product page template in your WordPress website. So make sure that you have got this plugin, and after that now let's go to dashboard. Now you can go in templates. So under the Elementor you can find out templates, then click on theme builder. Now here you can see these are all the features are unlocked as we have installed the Elementor plugin. So now to add a single product template, you can go here and click on add new. And now Elementor page builder is loading. After that we can edit and import templates. So now you can go here and click on upload. So you can select JSON files and zip files. Now let me go and select single product template, this one, then click on continue button. After that click on insert. So now a single product template is added. Now let's go and click on publish button. Then you can apply conditions for different pages. So I want to select this one, products, then click on save and close. Now let's see how it works. So for example, if I reload this page, and clear this website cache, then let's see if it works. Yes, you can see it's working fine. So in this way you can easily add pre-built templates in your Elementor WordPress website.